Yes, hello guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to chat with AI in WhatsApp. Steps are very simple. So click on this icon, new chat icon. Here you can see new AI chat. Click on that and then pick your AI character that you want to chat with. There are a number of them here. So just pick anyone you like. Let me pick this, and then I can start a conversation with AI right in WhatsApp. Say, hello, it's Brian, the grandpa who's here at the drop of a dime. You can come to me with anything, what's going on. If you need tips for a happier life, just say tips for a happier life, and it's going to respond. Alright, so it's actually fun chatting with Brian. Okay, I can go back and pick another AI. I can pick Meta AI. If I want this Meta AI to generate an image, I say /imagine. And then it's generating the image, and here is the image that was generated right inside WhatsApp. Look at it. Okay, so I can also say if I want another image /imagine. And then it's generating my image now. This is right inside WhatsApp. Yes. And here, look at it, fabulous. This, look at it, just have a look. See, so clean, squeaky. All right, so you can use this also in group chats.
That's it. Take care. If you enjoyed this video, click like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video. Bye.